Stop scrolling. Give me 1 minute. Not of your time, of your effort. Because what you're seeing right now, this shaking, is the secret to unlocking the greatest body transformation you've ever known. No gym, no equipment, just you, your breath, and 60 seconds of gravity. I'm talking about the plank. But the results go far beyond your abs. If you think the plank is just an ab exercise, you're wrong. This single move is a silent shield for your spine, a blueprint for balance, and the fastest way to naturally reverse the signs of aging in your body. Stick with me. I'm going to show you the 7 hidden changes that happen when you hold this position every day, especially the one that acts as your body's metabolic secret weapon. Most workouts are loud. The plank is silent. You're not jumping, running, or lifting. You are enduring. For 60 seconds, your body becomes a battlefield. Your muscles scream. Your mind whispers, give up. And that is the first transformation. Mental resilience. Every second you hold, you're teaching your brain a critical lesson. Discipline over discomfort. You are training your mind to listen to you, not the pain. This mental victory, achieved in 1 minute, carries over to every stressful moment of your day. You found your center. This is where we debunk the biggest myth. People think crunches fix their back pain. Wrong. Think of your spine as a bridge. Modern life, sitting, slouching, staring at a phone, is constantly weakening its cables. The plank is your structural engineer. When done right, the plank fires up your entire 360-degree core, the front, the sides, and the deep stabilizers of your lower back. This 1-minute habit reinforces that bridge. It reduces back pain, corrects that slumped posture, and protects your spine from daily wear and tear. This isn't just fitness. This is functional strength that makes simply existing effortless.
Now let's talk looks. Abs are built in the kitchen, but power is built in the plank. The plank is what coaches call a compound movement of the body symphony. It doesn't isolate one muscle, it activates your entire system. Shoulders, glutes, quads, arms, everything works in harmony. This full body tension is what tones your midsection faster than endless crunches. But here's the game changer, the silent fire. When you engage multiple muscles at maximum effort, your body's demand for oxygen spikes. Your heart rate rises. Your metabolism accelerates. That tiny 1-minute effort turns into hours of post-workout calorie burn. The plank becomes your body's natural metabolic trigger, paying you back in energy and fat loss long after you stop shaking. Try standing on one leg right now. Wobbly? That's your core talking. Planking trains your brain and body to coordinate, teaching stability from your toes to your neck. It's like downloading a new balance system into your nervous system. You move with more absolute control. And that brings us to unspoken confidence. Slouching sends a message of defeat. A strong plank core changes that. It strengthens the muscles that keep your shoulders back and your spine upright. You don't have to try to look confident. Your body does it for you. But the deepest secret, the one that keeps people doing this for decades, is this. The plank is a micro-meditation. You are learning to exist in the tension, not escape it. And as your body shakes, a physical release happens. Tension melts from your neck, shoulders, and hips. This signals your brain, you are safe. You are relaxed. That's why many report feeling peaceful after the plank. It's not punishment, it's presence. It's your body's natural mood booster. So what happens in 30 days? Your back pain fades, your posture becomes natural, your energy stabilizes, your sleep improves. But most importantly, you'll start to crave that quiet minute. Tomorrow, when you wake up, before checking your phone, before making an excuse, I challenge you. Drop down. Set your timer for 60 seconds. You will shake. You will sweat. You will doubt yourself. But when that timer hits 0, you won't just have stronger abs. You'll have proof that you can do hard things even when no one's watching. That is not a workout. That is a mastery of self.